Hello everyone. On this video, I will teach you how to look for digital elevation data, how to search satellite data, and how to download, and finally how to visualize all of this data using QGIS. So first of all, you have to go to the browser and register to Open Topography using this web address. Fill in all of the information needed, and then you may log in and go to My Open Topo, click on Get an API Key, okay? And you will need this API key, copy and paste into your QGIS. The second one is you have to go to EROS registration system, enter your username and password, and input any required informations. Then after registration finish, you may go to these websites, explorer.usgs.gov, log in, and try to look for the satellite data. For example, in this case, we want to download satellite data of Landsat around Mount Fuji in Japan. Okay. In the word features, you click word features and the feature name in type Fuji, in country you type Japan and click show. There are many place names shown, and then we just click here, zoom in, okay, and use map. Then go to datasets, select Landsat, Landsat collection 2, level 1, and we check on Landsat 89 Oli or TILS C2L1 and click result. On this example, scroll down and look for data on October 6. Click on this footprint icon, and this is the scene of the Landsat data. Then you just click on this small icon to download, and the download option window will open. You may download this one if you have a slow internet connection, because we just want to visualize the natural color. Or if you want to download all the data, you may see here, there's so many data sets, and click on this icon to Landsat the product bundle. Okay, in this case, I will download this one. After finish, we see here on the download, already finished. And then we extract the zip file, and we go to QGIS. Go to your browser panel, go to your selected folders, the place where you store the data. In this case, this is my Landsat data. Okay. And you just double click, for example, band 1. So this is the raw data sets in grayscale, okay? In this case, we will delete all. And then we just open band 1, band 2, sorry, band 1, band 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And drag to this folder, the layers panels. Then this is all your band. Next is we want to make a band set. So the first thing we have to do is you want to install the semi-automatic plugin. Just type semi, go to plugin, manage install plugin, and the plugin window is open. Select semi-automatic and click install plugin like this. However, if there is a notification appears, you need to install the remote your sensors, GDAL, NumPy, and so on. You can go to this website and check your system. If your system is Windows, you may follow this tutorial how to install. If your system is macOS, you may follow this tutorial how to install. Just copy this one. For example, you open the terminal and then you just copy and paste this command into your terminal like this. You copy, go to terminal and pass and enter. Okay. In this case, I already installed. Then you may go to QGIS, click on this small icon, click Ben set, and you may add the data, select all and want to Ben 7, click OK. In Ben order, select Landsat 8 because our data is Landsat 8. You can see the code LC08, and this is one is Landsat 8. You may create the virtual raster, create raster band. You may also build band overview and band calculation expression and click run. And select the folder where you want to store the data. In this case, I already finished this process. And I close this one. I also close this one. And the result will be appears like this. This is the result of the band set, stack raster, and filter raster. Okay. You may remove all layers here. We don't need this one. And you may go to this icon or RGB. Double click. And you may put 3, 2, 1, enter. And set the trans layer like this. Or you may put 4, 3, 2 and enter. Or 5, 4, 2 and enter like this. This is false color. So healthy vegetation or forest, dense forest will be visualized in red colors. We zoom into around Mount Fuji like this. And you may just go back to 42 like this. Okay. And we may remove this layer. And using this scene, we will try to download the digital elevation data. Okay. Okay, let's make it smaller so the data will not be bigger. Okay. Okay, like this. Put the Fuji in the center. Now you go back to plugin, manage and install plugin, and type OpenTopo like this. Select Open Topography, them downloader, and install plugin. Just wait for a couple of seconds. To finish, you go to this small icon, Open Topography them downloader. In this case, we will try to download SRTM 30 meters spatial resolutions. Do not forget to copy and paste your API key here. And for the extend or our data, we will use current map canvas extend. And if you want to save the data, you may save to file, type Fuji underscore SRTM 30. Once again, never use space. Okay, I already have it. Okay, just replace for this example. Then now open your Fuji SRTM. This one. And zoom to layer. And this is my Fuji. To change the visualization, double click on this layer. Go to symbology, render type is single band pseudo color. In the color RAM, you may create new color RAM. Select catalog CPT city. Select topography and elevation, then click OK. You may visualize your data. So this is the visualization. If you are not satisfied, you can click classify and click apply again. Okay, so this is the beta one. Click OK. Then if you want to make a better visualization, you may duplicate, okay, duplicate this layer. Then change the visualization from single band pseudo color to hill shade. For the blending mode, we choose multiply and click apply. And do the same thing with the layer rendering, multiply. Okay. Then put your virtual band set to the top one, like this. Okay. Next, do not forget to make sure your CRS is UTM zone. Go to the right button, click on this small icon and select UTM zone 44 north. Okay. Next, go to view, 3D map view and new 3D map view. You may hold and scroll to this position and release. You may zoom in into Fuji, then go to configuration, options, configuration, on the terrain, select digital elevation model, select Fuji SRTM 30, vertical scale, you may select 2, tile resolution, maybe 50. Be careful with the tile resolution. When the numbers become higher, the computer performance becomes slower. Okay. Just click OK. Then using Shift or Control on your keyboard, you may change the visualization like this. Okay. You may also using this control, zoom in or zoom out like this. And hold again, Shift, and you may make some rotation to your data. Okay. And this is the result of your 3D visualization. If you want to add more data like point, line, or polygon, you may install another plugin. Go back to plugin, manage install plugin, and type OSM. We try to use quick OSM and install plugin. Okay. Close and click on this small icon. Then you may click, for example, water. Like this, select water, for example, so many water. And then canvas extend, you may select canvas extend or layer extend. For example, layer extend, we select Fuji. And then run query. Okay, finish. To finish, we close this one. And we put, remember, point in the top one, followed by line, by line and polygon. Like this. Okay. You may change the water variable into blue color. Then for the water, just let it be like this. We check the attribute table. What is this? Waterfall. spring, waterfall, and so on. There's so many information here, but null. Close this one. How about the line? Check the line. Stream, river, okay. And how about the polygon here? We just right click and open attribute table. Okay, it's like a reservoir, basin, and so on. Okay. If you are satisfied with this one, you may save your data into image using this icon. Okay. Sample Fuji. Save, and this is your data. We go to Finder, check your data. So this is the result of your data. Okay, that's all. Thank you.